This video will show how to calculate shareholders' dividends and the number of shares issued. In this example, we have 50,000 common shares. The stock dividend is 10%, and the share price is $15. Run the shares dividend function, and we get 5,000 for number of shares to be issued. $75,000 for dividends declared in the account. We will make this function now. A company has 50,000 common shares, with a balance of $500,000 in common shares, $300,000 in retained earnings. On June 30th, the board declares a 10% stock dividend to shareholders. On July 20th, announcement that stock dividends to be distributed to shareholders on August 5th. The share price on June 30th was $15 per share. Share price on July 20th was $26 per share, and on August 5th, $14 per share. Let us make a function now. Name our function, shares_dividends. Our first argument is common shares, which will be type integer. Second argument is stock dividend, which will be type float. And third argument is share price, which will be type float. Our first variable is number of shares issued. Number of shares issued is common shares, multiplied by stock dividend. Next variable is dividends declared. Dividends declared is number of shares issued, multiplied by share price. Now we print out this information, using the format function for formatting. We declare our variables to then be passed into the function. Common shares is assigned 50,000, with an underline for comma separation. Stock dividend is assigned 0.10. And share price is assigned 15. Call our function, and pass in the declared variables for the function's arguments. The number of shares issued is 5,000, and the dividends declared is 75,000. That concludes this video.